All right, derivative rules 2. All right, I'm not going to go through all the different rules that we're adding to all the rules that you have to know. Those are on the notes and learning goals. You can study those for yourself. The new concept is the equation of the tangent line. All right, so we'll do that now. So let's say that we want to find the equation of the tangent line at -1. So we're going to find the equation of this straight line here, although I didn't draw it very straight. But in any case, straight line there at -1. We're going to find the equation of that line. All right, so the thing to remember is point-slope form. All right, let me put this over here. Let's say f of x is x cubed minus x. Okay, so point-slope form, we have y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. M is the slope at the point that you want. Here, the slope at -1. Okay, and x1, y1 is a point on the line. Okay, so we want to know the slope at -1. Right, so we want to know the slope at -1. Okay, so we need two things. We need a point on the line and the slope of the line at -1. Okay, so here we're looking for f prime of -1. That's our slope. And what's a point on the line? Well, there's infinitely many points on the line, but I know exactly one of them, and that's that one, -1, f of 1. From here you can tell that f of -1 is 0. Yeah. All right, so you can think of this as the point over -1 of 0. So there's our point. Okay, so the equation of the line, the equation of this tangent line, okay, all right, so let's find f prime of -1. F prime of x, 3x squared minus 1. All right, so power rule. Now plugging in -1, f prime of -1 is 3 times -1 squared minus 1. Let's see, -1 squared, that's +1. 3 times +1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Check real fast, that's positive. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Positive slope line. Okay, so y minus 0 equals m, which is 2. X minus 1. So y is equal to 2. X plus 1. Y is equal to 2x plus 2. All right, so there's our line, 2x plus 2. So that's the tangent line. That's my equation of that line right there. Okay, now let's say that we want to find the slope of the tangent line, or no, I mean the actual equation of the tangent line at let's say x equals 3. All right, so m is going to be f prime of 3. And our point at 3 is 3 f of 3, right? This is equal to 3. Let's see, what's f of 3? F of 3 is 3 cubed minus 3. Let's see, what's that? 27. 27 minus 3 is 24. 25, 26, 27, yes, 24. Okay. All right. So y minus 24 equals f prime of 3. All right, what's f prime of 3? let's see, f prime of x we found was 3x squared minus 1. So that's going to be, let's see, if you put a 3 in there, let's just go ahead and do it. Let's see, 3 squared is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 minus 1 is 26. Okay, so 26, x minus 3. So y minus 24 is 26x minus, let's see, 75, 76, 77, 78. 78, just to be sure. 18, 6, 7, 78, yes, okay. All right. So y equals 26x minus 78 plus 4. Oh, brother. Let's see, 8. So y is 26x. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. All right. Okay. So again, I think the way to think of it, if you want to find f prime, let me write this in general. Find equation of tangent line at a, f of a, use y minus f of a equals prime of a, x minus a. Okay, right, because this is the slope at a, that's m. This is your x1, y1, that's your m. Let's see that it is exactly point slope form now with calculus.